Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce alkalinity in your pool. First, you'll want to accurately test your pool water to determine its current total alkalinity level. High alkalinity can cause several issues, including cloudy water and the formation of scale on your pool surfaces and equipment. Before making any adjustments, it's also crucial to ensure your pH level is within its ideal range, typically between 7.4 and 7.6, as these two parameters are closely related. The ideal total alkalinity range for most swimming pools is typically between 80 and 120 parts per million. Levels above this can make it difficult to adjust your pH and lead to the problems we discussed. High alkalinity often results from adding too much sodium bicarbonate, which is commonly used to raise alkalinity, or it can simply be due to your source water having naturally high mineral content. Proper alkalinity is key to stabilizing your pH. To effectively lower your pool's total alkalinity, you will use either muriatic acid or a granular acid like sodium bisulfate. It is absolutely essential to add acid slowly and carefully, always following the manufacturer's instructions and wearing appropriate safety gear. Distribute the acid evenly across the deep end of your pool, avoiding the skimmers. After adding, allow your pool water to circulate for at least 4 to 6 hours before retesting your alkalinity levels. After your initial acid treatment, retest your total alkalinity after several hours. If it's still too high, you can repeat the acid treatment, but always make small, incremental adjustments to avoid overshooting the ideal range. Regularly testing your pool water, ideally 2 to 3 times per week, is crucial for maintaining balanced chemistry. Proper alkalinity ensures your sanitizer works efficiently, protects your pool equipment from corrosion or scaling, and keeps your water sparkling clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.